Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to loop a video in CapCut PC. Let's get into it. Press Option or Alt on your keyboard and click and drag your clip to create a duplicate. Next, position your playhead approximately 3 seconds in from the end of the first clip and then drag your second clip on top to match the playhead. Next, come over to Video Basic and then come into Blend. Bring the opacity down to 0 and create a keyframe. Move your playhead to just before the edge of the clip of the bottom clip, and then change the opacity to 100. Next, come to the beginning of your video and come to about 3 seconds again from the start, and make a cut. And then drag this clip so that it matches the end of the second clip that we created there. Then move your playhead to the beginning of that clip, and bring the opacity down. Make a keyframe. Move your playhead to just before the end again, and bring the opacity up to 100. Your clips may have shifted when doing this, so what I'm going to do is just realign these. So I'm going to move this so that the keyframes match up with the end of that first clip, and then do the same for this third clip. Now we can select all these clips. Right-click, choose Create Compound Clip. Then press Option or Alt-click and drag to create a duplicate. And if you repeat this process, you will end up with a seamlessly looped video for your projects. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.